He stopped and looked at me.
Yes, I know.
Why was everyone stale when he came on the meadow?
Everyone respects him, for of all the deer in the forest, not one has lived half so long. He's very brave and very wise. That's why he's known as the great prince of the forest.
What did you have in mind? Greetings, gents. Lost something, have we?
Don't patronize me. I know where your allegiance lies. We're looking for some humans.
Humans here in Narnia? Now, that's a valuable bit of information, don't you think?
Your reward is your life. It's not much. But still, where are the fugitives?
North. They ran north.
Smell them out.